So, I told a fib and said we were going to play Pokemon. But really, we're at the train show.
Yeah.
And here's our first train, the Lego train. Who are you gonna call? Ghostbusters! And it's Stay Puffed. Watch out, Stay Puffed. Here comes the train. Okay. Good surprise?
Yeah.
He took off running when he saw this room. Oh, we're in business here. Oh, it's so cool.
Steamy, Mommy.
What? A steamy? This black one is a steamy? Oh, steamy! New York Central. Oh, here it comes out of the tunnel. Huh?
Video that New York Central. Okay, Mom.
Okay. New York Central. Coming around through the tunnel. Coming around through the tunnel. Oh, it's the black one. He's passing all of the engineers right now. Yes. What's up? Now this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, what do we got here? A Great Northern. Oh, we know that one. It's pushing the Back to the Future car. We saw that at the St. Louis train show. All right, now we're going to get the Great Northern coming around the bend, and it will be going through the bridge.
Oh, Mommy. We went to that bridge.
Yeah.
And then look, then it's the.
Oh, we got another one coming around the bend here too. The Flyer's coming. Oh, yeah. Oh, is he about to go into the bridge too? Yeah? Okay. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Yeah, I'm on it. I'm on it like stink on dog doo doo. Oh, is this the one with the fake tornado?
Tornado, yeah. Look.
It's a little bitty BNSF.
Look. Come on. Mommy, there's another one coming. Hey, Mommy. There's another one coming. Okay, Mommy.
What?
There's another one coming by.
Just wait for the next one to come by?
Yeah.
Okay. I remember this one because it's got a little water tower that says City of Wentzville. Oh, here it comes. Nice. And now we have another one coming up the way so it can come around the bend. It's kind of looking like Union. There's the Union Pacific.
And it's long too.
Yes.
Look, Mommy, look.
Lots of cars.
Yeah.
Oh, it's going. Look, Winsville. See that? City of Winsville. Is that where we used to live?
Yeah.
Yeah. Z-scale.
Look.
Z-scale. That's the little.
Look, Mommy, look, comes.
He helped me design this one because we wanted to have it where I could run it at home on just the reverse loop, but then we thought about making an L.
The reverse loop?
Well, you know where, I mean, just a balloon where you could just, yeah, we don't have a reverse loop.
Look.
Yeah. It's good scenery, isn't it? And a merry-go-round going around and everything. Yeah.
Oh, that one? Here. Mommy, look. Mommy. Is that a little one? Going around, Mommy? See it?
Little one.
Hey, Mommy. Look at this one. Hey, Mommy. This one going by.
Yeah. It's like a family sitting out at their picnic.
I'm with you.
It's like giant people in a small train town. Oh, what's going on here? We got chilling at the OK Corral, the train corral.
Mommy, narrate it.
Oh, narrated. Okay, not snap two here. So, you like trains?
No, like,
Because I like trains.
like.
Oh, say what's going on here. Okay. We've got a little Z-scale coming around the bend. It's Santa Fe. And it's looking like an Amtrak. Oh, yes indeed. It's Amtrak. Head into this room?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see what we got going on over here. We've got the train ride that you're usually not a fan of. Business is slow today at the St. Charles train show. That will draw a line. Oh, the island of Sodor. I remember this one. Do, 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 do. I hope that the island of Sodor doesn't get hit by the tornado. The train tornado. Holy crap. Hold on to your butts because it's the train tornado. Oh, I hear it.
You what?
The train tornado. Ooh, we got Jurassic Park.
Where?
Oh, crap, we got touchdown. No, I didn't. There we go. Oh, shoot. Oh, no. What's going to happen to Jurassic World and the island of Sodor? Oh wait, it's getting sucked back up to the top. We're good. We've got the American Flyer reading lines passing. Who's coming around the bend, Taylor? He's pushing the Back to the Future car and the Great Northern. It's almost like they're in a little race. We've got a little toy train set here
Look,
by the Thomas Swag.
look.
Look, I'm looking. I'm looking, and then I'm looking, and I'm looking. What?
Yeah, so, look. We got to go way out.
You're done looking at the merchandise room here? Let's get a little scanner at the merchandise room. Oh, look at these. All of your kinds of people. Oh, there you go over there. Get it, boo boo.
On this one right here.
I saw you grooving over there. I saw you grooving with those sweet moves.
Mom.
You got the sweet
Hey, Mom.
moves?
Hey, Mom. Okay.
Back to the Lego. We're back to the Lego. Let's see. Let's take a little tour and see what we got here. We got the Brick Depot. We've got a nice little fall scene.
Mommy, got the coffee in the tray.
I don't know how to count.
Yeah, you do.
You count.
Yeah, you do.
Ugh,
What was there?
I couldn't even count them because I forgot to count.
No, you didn't, Mommy.
Oh,
No, you
I'm gonna get my brain
didn't.
back before I go back to school.
No, you didn't.
Oh, this is what I'm talking about right here.
What?
Enough of this sun and heat. Bring on that cool fall.
Yeah.
Zombies.
Zombies
The
are dead.
best.
Zombies are dead, right?
Zombies are dead.
Yeah, look.
Look, it's a zombie nation.
Zombie Nation,
Don't go to the zombie nation. Scooby, thank you. I was about to call him Snoopy. Okay, let's see if I can count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, shoot. I can go back to school. All right, now we've got like Batman, Joker, superhero.
What's funny? They're so good.
It's a crazy amount of work going on here. We've got Lego,
Like little monsters.
Lego, Harry Potter.
What's the Harry Potter like?
We've got the car jumping off, ninjas. Yeah.
Turtles.
Oh, look, just
What?
like right there on your shirt.
Oh yeah. Wait, boom.
Boom and boom. Boom and boom.
Yeah.
Nice. We've got the big blobby with the
Bobby, yeah.
sledgehammer. I'm not messing with him.
Yeah.
We've got Beetlejuice, cooling out by Batman.
Yeah.
Let's see. What else? Oh, I see a Mogwai.
Where?
Mogwai.
Where?
Mogwai.
Where do you see one? Where do you see?
Mogwai.
Where?
Mogwai.
Oh yeah, I see one.
Don't feed me past midnight. Don't get me wet. And I don't like light. But they don't listen, do they, Taylor?
Look.
Oh my gosh, let's see. Hulk Smash! We got Hulk Smash. We got Buzz and Woody. Man, it's like no matter what, no matter what you like.
Cars. Look. Like cars.
Cars, yeah.
Mommy, look.
My favorite is Stay Puft.
Oh, Mom, look. Okay, if look very closely.
That's my favorite so far.
Very closely.
And little Stay Puft.
Yeah.
Mini Stay Puft on big Stay Puft.
Yeah.
Whoa, the Ghostbusters are gonna get them now.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. We've got the train depot. Oh, about to get attacked by a red T-Rex.
Yeah. That's a light crew.
We still found some Pokemon stuff, so this train show's getting some street cred with me.
That's so much Mankey.
Is that Meowth? Oh no, it was
Mankey.
Mankey.
Yeah, Mankey.
Get a Mankey. 11 train cars. Oh, hold up. I'm going to count this one too. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This time you get to be the counter. Be ready, Taylor.
1, 2, 3.
3 cars. Ha 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 ha. That one's got like one of those little skitter bugs. Skitter bugs skittering around. It's like you need to be a cow or I am, buddy. I just can't stick my hand in front of a train because it'll get hit. The Pierre Marquette Steamy.
Yeah. And it's long, Mommy. Look. How long is it, Mom? How
It
long
is a long one.
It's a long one. It's a long train.
Smoking. He's over here like smoking if you got him. Woo! Okay, I think we're about ready to go. But what's our review of this train show, Bellville train show? We've been here before. It got a thumbs up. It got a Taylor thumbs up.
Yep. It was a cool surprise.
Yeah, good surprise.
You were like, that's some Squirtles. And
I know. I said we were coming to play Pokemon, but alas. I love you. Mwah. Now we're on the way home, and it's the arch and the city.